Nobody in the village expected this kind of dragon.
Is going to sneeze.
Out came a storm of rainbow bubbles, floating everywhere. Children chased them with delight.
Bubbles.
Then Nacho. A spaghetti explosion. Noodles flew across the square, landing on goats, bakers, and even the mayor's bald head. It was a pasta party nobody ordered. And just when everyone thought the bubbles were over at you again. This time, bubbles even bigger and bouncier, bouncing villagers off their feet. But the pasta parade wasn't finished. The dragon sneezed once more, and this time spaghetti flew in slow motion. The village looked like a giant noodle festival.
Bleat.
And just when the villagers thought they couldn't take any more, boom, a sneeze of marshmallows. Soft, fluffy, sticky marshmallows bouncing everywhere. The children dove in like snow. While one villager sank so deep he popped up as a marshmallow snowman. The villagers froze. The final sneeze was the grandest of all. Ka-choo! A rainbow blizzard of confetti filled the sky, then roared with laughter and carried the little dragon high above their heads. He wasn't dangerous at all. He was the village's funniest friend.